That's the Bash Life ramps. Got from a guy named Hector on Facebook Marketplace. Gave it to him for a real good deal. So I'm gonna check it out and see how this ramp hold up. Gotta run up to it a little bit. Oh, a little front flip.
It don't look straight though.
Huh?
It looks like it's not straight.
What?
The ramp.
That's straight. Well, now you see where you got to get the control there, right? All right, go get it. Go get it.
I got sandals on. That's why I don't want to be in the ramps.
And give it just a little bit more speed going up, but not crazy. There you go. Now you got the timing. There. There you go. Come on, let me see a backflip. No, don't run up backwards. Go up straight and then make a backflip, or you gonna run up back and make a front flip. Well, you gotta get to the ramp, man. What are you way over there for? All right, go ahead, run it up, go. There you go. When you hit the brakes, remember front flip. Here, sit it down. Go ahead. You got leaves in your toes now. Go ahead, let me see you hit it. See, you burning rubber before you got up there, so you got to be going good here on the concrete before you hit the ramp. You gonna give it gas when it's in the air, so that way it'll flip. There you go. Front flip. Here. Go get it. Go turn it over.
I'm recording.
Recording?
Almost did a barrel roll. That's so starts. It's got a kick. And we got a little wheelie at the end.
Endo wheelie.
Don't run on my toes.
See if I can get that again.
3, 2, up. Ooh.
No, I just broke the hub on that, probably because it's cold out here. But I got plenty of those.
We got the destructor. We gotta move that out.